What's in? What's up?
What's in? What's up? What's in? What's up? What's in? What's up? What's in? What's up?
Hi there, guys. This is Gary, and welcome to my YouTube channel. What's in? What's up? I know it's been a while since my last vlog because I just started my master's degree and I'm working as well at home. So thank God, because today I had time to do this vlog and to edit this vlog. So hopefully I can post more vlogs in the near future, more often in the near future. So for today's video, guys, I'm going to unbox a wearable air purifier. It's an AVICHE or AVICHE M1. So what are we waiting for? Let's unbox it. And here it is. Ta-da! There. Wearable air purifier. So I ordered this from Shopee and it was delivered on time. It's buy one, take one. So I bought it for 2,600 for two. But in other sellers, from other sellers, it is 1,800 each. So I got a good deal with that supplier, and I hope I can find his link and I will put it down below. So if you are thinking of buying one, then you can order from him. I'm not getting any. He's not my sponsor, okay? Before we unbox it, let me just tell you what is an air purifier, especially this. What is a wearable air purifier? So it does charge the negative particles with another negative ions, or it's called anions, and it purifies the air by clinging these anions to other particles, bad particles like molds, dust, any pollutants, and dust mites, and makes the environment cleaner, safer, the air, I mean. Negative ion exists in nature. So we love the feeling when we're walking in forests and the feeling after the rain. So if we're going to explain what this can do, it's just like that, washing the pollutants from the air by emitting negative ions or anions. AVICHE M1 is emitting 20 million ions per second. So imagine how tough is this in cleaning the air. So what are we waiting for? Let's unbox it. Microphone is blocking me. But this is it. Okay. There you go. So what's inside the box? It's the charger. So I think it's just a micro USB charger, charging cable. It doesn't go with the charger itself, but with a cable that you can plug into any micro or USB work. As I have told you earlier, this emits 20 million negative ions in the air. So it kills the pollutants in the air with these negative ions. And then I've watched it in YouTube several times. When they tested this, they put a smoke in a jar, and they put this inside, switched on, and the smoke inside disappears in just a few seconds or a minute. So that's how effective this device is. So if you're going to ask me if this can replace the masks and the face shields, no. So it's just an additional. If you have the money to buy, then you can buy one. But this will not replace the masks and the face shields that we are wearing right now if we go out. Buy this one if you like and if you have the money to buy, because testing shows that ionizer are a real good device inside the house and by wearing this one. It says here that it is 80 by 37 by 24 millimeters. So that is how small it is, weighing 50 grams. And the battery is rechargeable lithium-ion battery. And the current charge is 200 milliamperes only. Charging time is 3 to 4 hours. And you will notice that the red light is off when the battery is full. And running time, you will be surprised with this. Running time or switching it on will last for 30 to 35 hours. So it means if you charge it the whole night, if you charge it full the night before you go out, you can use it over a day. That's how the battery is effective. And the battery capacity is 650 milliamperes. Cycle life is 500 times, meaning after charging it 500 times, we have reached the maximum effectiveness of the unit. But that doesn't mean that it will stop working or it's defective right away. So you can still use it. I've heard that some users have been using this for 2 years already and it's still working the same way. So how they find out? They did the testing with the smoke in the jar and it's still working. So if we're going to compare this with Cherry Ion, which is bigger than this, and it's 3,200 pesos in the market. They tested this at the same time with the same amount of smoke, and AVICHE M1 is working the same way the Cherry Ion works. So this is cheaper, but it works the same way like the Cherry Ion. And its Cherry Ion is bigger than this. So that's all for today. And again, this is AVICHE M1. Let me try it on my neck. There. So you just wear this like this and switch it on, and you will hear a very, very, very minimal electronic sound, which means it's working. So I don't know if you can hear this sound. I don't think so, but you would hear it if you put it in near your ears. So that's it, and I hope you enjoyed my unboxing for today. Again, this is not a replacement for your masks and face shields. This is just another thing, another device that you can wear to have a better, cleaner and safer, breathable air to breathe in. And once again, this is Gary of What's In, What's Up. Thank you for watching.